In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a flow in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful design and prototyping tool, and knowing how to manage your prototype flows efficiently is a key part of maintaining a clean and organized file. Sometimes, you might create a prototype flow as part of an iteration, or perhaps you've been experimenting with different user journeys and now find yourself with an unnecessary or outdated flow. Deleting these unwanted flows helps to streamline your file, making it easier to navigate and ensuring that collaborators aren't confused by multiple, potentially irrelevant starting points. It's all about keeping your design environment tidy and purposeful. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the prototype panel within your Figma file. You'll typically find this panel located on the right-hand side of your Figma interface. It's usually one of three main tabs in that sidebar, sitting alongside the Design panel, which is for all your styling and layout adjustments, and the Inspect panel, used by developers to gather specifications. You can easily identify the prototype panel by its distinctive icon, which often looks like a play button or a small arrow pointing right, signifying the playback of your designs and user interactions. This panel is where all the magic happens when you're setting up the connections, animations, and transitions between your frames to create a functional, interactive prototype. If you don't immediately see the prototype panel, make sure you have a frame or component selected on your canvas, as the contextual panels can sometimes appear or disappear depending on what you have highlighted. Once you're in the prototype panel, you'll see various settings related to your prototype flows, including the flow starting point options. Now that you're comfortably in the prototype panel, you'll want to locate the specific flow you intend to delete. A flow in Figma essentially defines a designated path or journey through your design, starting from a particular frame. When you initiate a prototype presentation, it usually begins from one of these established flow starting points. Within the prototype panel, under a section typically labeled Flows, you'll see a list or a visual representation of the active flow starting points in your current file. Each existing flow will be clearly displayed, and next to it you'll find options to manage that specific flow. What you're specifically looking for is the Remove Flow Starting Point option. This might appear as a small X icon, a trash can icon, or perhaps as a clickable text link directly adjacent to the flow's name. Carefully click on this Remove Flow Starting Point option that corresponds to the flow you wish to permanently remove. It's always a good practice to double-check that you're selecting the correct flow, especially if you have multiple prototype flows set up within your file. It's important to remember that clicking this option will only delete the designated starting point and any connections associated with that particular flow.